part 5 of episode 7, and in this episode we are learning about Java variables, and for this part we are focused on Java constants, and constants are also known as a final keyword. When you do not want a variable's value to change, you use the final keyword, like you don't want it to change at all in your code. So a variable declared with final becomes a constant, which means it's unchangeable and read only, so you can't write. So if I say final integer my number is equal to 15, I cannot come and say that my number is equal to 20. So that's a final, and we can try it out and check it out. So let's power up our IntelliJ and we head over. So as we can proceed to when to use final, you should declare variables as final when their values should never change. For example, like a number of minutes in an hour, it's a constant. We know that it's 60 minutes, and we know that in 60 minutes there are 60 seconds. So you realize that it's a constant and it never changes, so you can declare that as a final for purposes of maybe not changing it by mistake or something like that. So we head over to our IntelliJ. So can create a file called constants.java. The final age is equal to 25. So this is our current, or let's say this is my current age, and it not change till next year on my birthday. So when I come over here and I say age is equal to 30, you realize that it will be an error. So you can never change age like ever again. Like on the second line, all you can do is just change the value your first year. Let me say over 26 years, just change that. But as like changing it on this next line, it's not possible. So this is invalid. And if we proceed, you should declare variables as final when we talked about this. Final, birth year, things like that. By convention, final variables in Java are usually written in uppercase, and it's not required but useful for code readability and common for many programmers. So it's better for you to write in uppercase these variable names like age, something like that. Okay, so let's go and do that. So that's the thing there. And in the next video we are going to be doing looking at real life examples. So see you.